EPJ3 3-hub iron explosion-proof junction box from Larson Electronics is an explosion-proof T-style junction box rated for Class 1 Division 1 and Class 2 Division 1. It features a universal design with 3-threaded universal hubs, cast iron body and cover, internally threaded body and externally threaded cover with O-ring for rain-tight fit, and the covers have pry notches for bar or wrench. The unit has a smooth, rounded integral bushing in each hub-type box that protects conductor insulation, and it features 3 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch NPT hubs. Here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.